Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Honda CR-V. First, ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth feature is activated. Next, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, locate and press the phone button on your CR-V's dashboard. This action will initiate the connection process, guiding you through the initial steps to link your smartphone for hands-free communication and entertainment on the go. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Once you've pressed the phone button, select the Add New Device option on your CR-V's display screen. Your vehicle will then become discoverable. On your phone, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and search for your CR-V's unique Bluetooth name. A pairing code, typically a 4-digit or 6-digit number, will appear on both your phone and the CR-V's screen. Confirm this code to complete the secure connection. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free communication and audio. Use the convenient controls on your steering wheel to answer or end phone calls without taking your hands off the wheel. You can also access your phone's entire music library directly through your CR-V's audio system. Adjust the volume using either your vehicle's dedicated controls or your phone's volume buttons for optimal sound. If you encounter any issues, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try restarting both your phone and your CR-V's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old, unused paired devices from your CR-V's memory can also resolve connection problems. For more detailed instructions or specific model information, always refer to your Honda CR-V Owner's Manual. It contains valuable insights for a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.